Okay. I'm literally so freaking hyped. So, I found this camera in my dad's like office or whatever, and I used to have this camera that was, I'll see if I can like find a picture and like insert it or something, but like when I say like an OG like freaking like, how do you describe those? Like a flip out recorder camera, like an old one. Like you had to like hold it like this and then this thing would come out like this way. Like I'll see if I can find a picture, but I had one of those, and when I got my first DSLR I gave it to my sister because she wanted to start like doing YouTube and stuff. And then she, oh wait, actually I think she still has that. I don't know why I never got it from her. Anyway, for a while like we both thought that she just like had thrown it out or whatever because she couldn't find it, but the other day I was talking to her on the phone and she said that she found it, but the last time I went to my mom's house I just like completely forgot to like get it from her. So I found this camera in my dad's like office, as I just said, and I'm so excited because the reason I wanted that like old school like camcorder is because of like the quality. Like I really like that like whole kind of like VHS look or whatever, and now that I found this I can just use this. And also, as you just saw, this is like a lot smaller, like more like compact or whatever compared to like the camcorder thing that my sister has. So I don't know, I'll probably switch back and forth and just like decide which one I like the best, but I'm very happy that I just found this. Hey Poopy. Oh, okay. Where are you going? Hey! Hey! Hey, Ding Dong! Okay, I'm gonna leave now. Okay? Okay? Say goodbye. Say bye, Hartlei. Bye, Hartlei. See you at 10 o'clock. Bye, Hartlei. Okay, bye, Poopy. Okay, hello, people. So, I'm in a car vlogging on my camera for the first time, because usually I have my phone like set up like down here, but I have my camera, so I'm gonna see how this goes, and hopefully there, well, is this technically, I mean, this isn't texting and driving. It's not like I'm on the phone, this is a camera. So I don't know, like this, if the same rules apply or whatever, but whatever. Anyway, so I have work tonight for the first time in like 500 years, and I want to go to the mall for a little bit first. I don't have work till 5:30 and it's only 4 o'clock, and I wanted to get there early because Express, I hope that was on me, it probably wasn't. Express just not restocked their store, they just got like a bunch of new arrivals and stuff, so I want to go see like what they have like in stock and stuff. Maybe I should switch hands. Okay, this feels a little bit better. I'm a righty, so I don't know why I was trying to drive with my left hand. I mean, it's not that I can't, but I just drive better with my right hand. Anyway, so yes, I want to go see what they have, if there's anything cute. So we shall see what's there. I don't like driving at this time of day because everyone is just stupid, basically. I live around like 2 very main exits, I guess you could say, and like merging from the exit onto 287, for some reason it's just such a very difficult task for some people, and I don't really understand why, but it backs up the traffic for like 500 years. And then once you get past the traffic, you realize it was for no reason. It's just because people don't know how to drive, and it's just really annoying. But anyway, so I'm almost there now. I'll try to get some stuff while I'm in Express. Actually, I might try to do like a short little promo video, because I've only ever posted pictures for them. I've never tried to do like video stuff, and I love videography and like editing, so maybe I'll try to like get some cute stuff while I'm in there today. But yeah. enjoyed that little montage. I finished shopping. I got everything that I wanted to get, and so I wore this coat in one of my most recent Instas, and I returned it so I could get this dress that I could wear to another event, but I didn't wear the dress, so I was like, shit, okay, let's hopefully still have the coat. They didn't have it in the color and the size I wanted, so I was able to order it, and that's like one of my main goals that I wanted to do, so everything worked out very great. But I still have 5 minutes to spare before my shift, and I wanted to try to return my Sephora stuff, but I don't think I'll have enough time, so I'll probably have to do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna go to work.